Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to the English class. So, in the previous class we have learned that common noun and proper noun. In this class we are going to write the bits in the textbook of page number 6. Till page number 5 we have completed. Now page number 6. So, open your textbooks all of you. Open your textbooks, take your pencil and eraser, take your pencil and open page 6 and B bit. See my dear, this bit B is about a collective noun. As we learned in the previous class, as we learned during the lesson, a swarm of bees means a group of bees, so many bees. Am I right? Likewise here we have group of animals or birds or something else. We have to name the collective noun there. Okay, so already clue words are given. Pride, sheaf, school, pack and swarm. As we know, swarm means a swarm of bees. We'll say group of bees as swarm. Okay, that one we know. Now we are going to write the bits. Page number 6, bit number B. First one. There was a dash of fish in the river. There was a dash of fish in the river. And then second one, a dash of wolves attacked the sheep. And the third one, I saw a dash of bees buzzing around the tree. Next, fourth one. There was a dash of papers on the table. On the table. Next one, fifth one. A dash of lion was chasing the deer. See here, already options are given. Pride, sheaf, school, pack and swam. See, there was a dash of fish in the river. So many fish together. We call it as school. School, don't think that our school. If so many fish are together at one place, then it is known as school. School. There was a school of fish in the river. And then a dash of wolves attacked the sheep. A dash. So many wolves. Group of wolves called of bulbs called pack. Then I saw a dash of bees buzzing around the tree. As we know, as we learned in the lesson, dash of bees, group of bees together called swarm. Okay, next, there was a dash of papers on the table. So many papers are together called sheaf. S-H-E-A-F. Sheaf. There was a sheaf of papers on the table. And then next, a dash of lions, group of lions called pride. P-R-I-D-E. A pride of lions was chasing the deer. Okay, my dear. This is bit C. Sorry, bit B. Next, down to that, we have spellings. Spelling. Look there. 4 words are given and those 4 are in with wrong spelling. We have to write it correctly. First one, there, W-I-S-E-D-O-M given. It's wisdom. You write with pencil under that word only. Wisdom, W-I-S-D-O-M, wisdom. And then second one, carefully, C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y, carefully. And the third one, puzzle, P-U-Z-Z-L-E, puzzle. And fourth one, replied, R-E-P-L-I-E-D, replied. See, these are the 4 words which they have given the wrong spelling and we have written the right one. Now, open the small copies, my dear. Open your small copies. Open your small copies. Write today's date. Write today's date. And then first word. King. Wise. Wisdom. See, these 3 words are for small copy. You have to write these 3 words in the small copy and then write the full page with pencil. And your homework is practice bit number B, read and practice page number 6, bit B for 2 times in a rough notebook. Page number 6, bit B in a rough notebook. Okay, then after practicing in rough notebook, take a picture and send it to your concerned class teacher. Along with this practice work, you have to send the small copy also, the full page of small copy, and take a picture. Then send it to your concerned class teacher. Okay, note down the daily work in your diaries. Write today's date and note down. That's all for today. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.